Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'll be talking about Peloton, and I'll be doing some technical analysis and recording it right over here, as well as the trade plan, the entry and the stop loss in this video. And I'll be trying to post videos like this whenever I find a nice play or a nice swing, for either small account or just a regular play. And as you guys can see, I'll be trying to post them on YouTube, so make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Road to 100,000. And I'll be just charting it out right now. The first thing I see is that gap, and I want to play the gap. And as you guys know, the best entry is right at the gap entry. So this is our entry right over here, 113.4, and then our price target is around 116. So somewhere right around over here is the price target. And let's chart out the support down below. So we have support, nice support right over here, and then we have some nice support right over here. One thing to keep in mind is that right now we are in the accumulation phase. As you guys can see, you can actually add the volume indicator, and once you add that indicator, you guys can see that there's a lot of volume right around over here right after earnings. So you can tell that people bought the dip, smart money bought the dip, and we have some long-term investors. So this is a major breakout. If we break out of this gap entry, that is the price target, the gap. So very simple trade plan. I could just write right over here, entry at gap entry 113.4, and then our price target right around over here. So very simple trade. I'm looking at a week. I think we can fill the gap in a week, and I'm looking at a very nice 100% gain. And keep in mind that this is the accumulation phase, and another thing to keep in mind is that we are not entering in right over here, it's only at the gap entry. Okay, that is a very important key. Entry right at the gap level, higher chances of filling it. This is a pretty small gap, so I think it'll be easier to fill it. And thank you for watching. Very simple video. I'm loving the volume right over here. As you can see right over here, we actually had earnings, major volume pop. We broke out of this resistance and it just went flying past. So I think we can see a similar on Peloton, but again, we are only here for the short term and the gap price target. Now I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be trying to make more videos like this. I might make another video on BA and ARC innovation ETF and some possible plays that I could see. So as you guys know, no analyst does this. I'm trying to be as clear as possible, send out with reasonings all of my plays and everything, and very simple. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.